Welcome to ChopChopChef. Good to see you all back on our next session. Today we're cooking something very healthy. How about that? Yes, there will be no butter, no olive oil, no salt. It's actually some of my favorite items, to use in cooking. But today, no, we do it a very good health-conscious fish. Yeah, we're making a fish fillet baked in a foil, in paper and papier. For that, what we need is, of course, yes, we're starting off with a nice piece of fish. Really, you can use any fish you like, a codfish, a flathead, a salmon, a tuna, you name it. Yeah, it just depends on the thickness of the fish. You may have to keep the fish 1 or 2 minutes longer in the oven. And then today, I like to share with you my version of a little bit of an Asian influence. But again, all the things what you will put into it is up to you. You want to have it Asian like I do. You want to have it Mediterranean, you do different spices. You want to do Middle Eastern, yes, you put a little bit dukkha or anything like that. So it's really up to your imagination and taste. So we're starting off today. What I have, a lemongrass, a little bit ginger. I prepped the ginger already. Peeled garlic, lime, and then I have choy sum, lemon basil, beautiful, yeah, and a little bit leek, and off we go. So okay, starting off with the preparation with the lemongrass. When you have the lemongrass stalk, yeah, I always like to smash it a little bit to get really all the senses out. So when you smash it like that, bang bang, give it a few good whacks. This breaks up all the little strings inside. That's what we want. Now for my dish today, no big deal. All what we need is we're cutting the lemongrass just like that. Easy. That's already done. I always like to smell on it, so beautiful. Okay, then yes, ginger, of course peeled. Yeah, we're cutting a few slices. Okay, we put it as well on our mise en place tray. Garlic, same thing. Bang. Garlic, good. Lime, yeah. Not too thin, so one slice will do the trick. Yeah, cut it in half. Look at that. Carrot, yeah, okay, we still have to peel that. And then we cut julienne. Okay, we got it peeled. Ding, ding, ding. Remember, for carrots, we keep our peelings for our vegetable stock, right? Very good. Okay, so the carrot julienne, yeah, in probably 4 centimeter, yeah, like that. And then when you have the carrot, you're cutting one side, and now you have a nice, beautiful flat surface. Now you put it on that side. It has a solid grip to it. Now you can cut as thin as you can some slices. So that will do for us. So we have the slices, then we turn them around and we slicing again. Sort of this fine strips, as we say it in our terminology, julienne. Look at that. Tack, 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 tack. Okay, we got that sorted. So carrot julienne. Again, we put it here. Put this carrot back on here. We use a little bit leek. Not too much. Same thing, we're cutting them in fine, nice strips. Zack, zack, zack. Okay, we got that, we got that, we got that. And then, as I said, I have some choy sum here. I get the Asian vegetable. Yes, you can use bok choy, choy sum, lombok, anything you want. But this one again, I cut in thicker stripes. yeah, not too thin. Okay, look at that, beautiful. Okay, I put a little bit of a nice cherry tomato in it. Yes, now you say that's not Asian. Yeah, I got it, I hear you. But let's put some on there. Okay, so that's that. All right, mise en place done. Now comes the next task. We need baking paper. Now don't underestimate it, use a nice decent amount, because later on you will notice why. Okay, we'll put that on the side. Here it is. Now this paper, all our ingredients will go now in the middle, and you need enough to fold it in then. Okay, so what we're doing here, we're starting off with all our goodies. We just put it in here as it is. Look at this. Yes, vegetables, beautiful, nice, just like that. Now we're putting a little bit of our ginger slices in here, garlic, not to forget our lemongrass on the sides, beautiful. So have a look at this. Yeah, it's nice, so far so good. Yeah, on this vegetable I use a little bit cracked pepper, not too much. A few drops of oyster sauce, drizzle on this one here. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, our fish, hocus pocus. Yeah, we're putting the fish nicely on here, so you can see, yeah, nice. And yeah, we have to put now, we're putting our lime wedges on top of here. Okay, so we got all our very strong sort of flavors in here, yeah, the lemongrass, the ginger, the garlic, and then the vegetables, because later on we will eat this all together. Yeah, of course not the bulky things, but all the vegetables, Julian, yes. So this goes in here. Now, very important, we fold it nicely in. Now this is the big trick here. Yeah. Zack, zack, zack. Here it goes. You're starting on the sides. And fold it, always nice and tight. Can you see sort of that you get this pocket pattern here, right? So that's what you want to achieve. Because when we put this now in the oven, yeah, the steam from the vegetable and the lime and so on will obviously will be contained in this foil, and this will cook then our fish, right? So have a look. That's what we call fish in the paper, yeah, en paupiette, yeah. And now this one here, we take it gently and put it on a tray, or you don't need a perforated tray, it's okay, you can put it just straight in the oven. I put it in here now, and this one here goes now in the oven for 10 minutes by 200 degrees, but do not use the fan forced heat, just use top and bottom heat, because the fan, we want to create sort of a nice, like a fugu fish, you know, like a puffed foil here. So this will puff up a little bit because the steam really tries to work into this foil. If you have obviously a hole in here, it's not good either. Then the purpose is already kaput, will not work. So this one goes in there, steamed in the foil. Let's put it one in and we find out in 10 minutes how it will turns out. Yeah, alrighty. Here it goes. Yeah, top and bottom heat, as I said. We're putting our timer on 10 minutes. Doot, doot. 8, 9, 10. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. Our fish is 2 more minutes away. While we're waiting for this one, we're doing a little bit more prep work. I have here beautiful Thai lemon basil. Yeah, we're cutting this roughly up. Yeah, when I say roughly, we just make this a little bit like that. Yeah, so that's one thing. And then this green onions, yeah, shallots, spring onion. We're cutting fine. What we do then, when we open this baking paper, the fish, yeah, we just sprinkle this beautiful mixture on top of our fish then. Yeah, with this Thai lemon basil, yeah, and this onions, this gives then a nice big punch to it when we eat it. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, our fish is just about, or our timer is about to buzz off, and then we have a look. 2, 1. Okay, that's the sign. Turn the oven off, watch the heat, and let's have a look at our empopiette. Okay, here we go. We take this baby out. All right, so what it is with the serving now, we're taking this paper out, beautiful. We place it, yes, on the customer's, on your guest's plate, and then we cut it open. When you cut it, be mindful, inside is steam, right? So not that you burn your fingers. Be mindful of that, okay? So, chakti boom. We open it nicely like that. And I tell you what, you see the steam nicely comes out, beautiful. So this is our baked fish in here, right? Of course now, when we serve it, we take the lemon, we take off our fish here. So that's this, and the customer, we're eating this now with steamed rice. Obviously not the big pieces of the ginger or the garlic or the lemongrass, but all the other vegetables are perfectly fine to eat. And now we sprinkle a little bit of our Thai lemon basil in there and spring onion. And that's our very healthy, beautiful, nice summery dish, or any day of the year. Yeah, nicely cooked in the foil, steamed in its own juice, and all the flavors from any of the vegetables what you're putting in there. Yeah, for you to enjoy it, to enjoy on ChopChopChef. Till next time, thank you so much.